Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Monday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Today we have a special unboxing to do. Good old Amazon Prime, coming from my good friends over at WT2. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. This thing is simply amazing technology that I have here to show you guys. Definitely add this to your Christmas list. Any friends and family members. Great for stocking stuffers. I'm going to show you a brief intro from the company, and then we'll do the unboxing and the setup, and probably charging it up too. So definitely excited to show you guys this, and we're about to go ahead.
We as people are always looking for ways to build a better world. Constantly we are innovating, improving, exploring, and our greatest strength is communication. It can either move us forward, or sometimes it can hold us back, keeping us in silence, in fear, and missing opportunities. In today's world, there should be nothing that holds us back. That is why we created the WT2 Translator. We aim to break down the communication barrier, and our goal is to inspire, empower, and connect. Using a simple, intuitive design, we built the first translator in the world to connect two earphones to just one app. The WT2 comes in a streamlined charging case. It wakes up and pairs automatically, making it ready at a moment's notice. Just peel, share, and start speaking. The WT2 has access to over 20 languages. With Ask Mode, you can ask anyone a quick question. Manual mode is built for busy, complex environments, and auto mode is for natural, hands-free conversation. Keeping in mind that communication is more than words. It's expression, eye contact, and body language. The WT2 is built for sharing, because across the world, we are meant to be connected.
Yo soy parte de este mundo. मैं इस दुनिया का हिस्सा हूँ.
Nous sommes plus forts ensemble.
Todos somos una raza humana.
Communication is connection. And when that barrier is removed, no place, no goal, no dream, nothing is out of reach.
Alrighty, YouTubers, that was a pretty deep video. So definitely now we're going to take a look at this WT2. Show you guys how it looks and everything. Definitely excited for this. So this will be on everybody's Christmas wish list this year. Here we go. WT2 Plus AI Translator Earbuds. Look at all these languages. It is amazing, especially for all you travelers, like the sports, wrestlers. Anyone could use this. This is like amazing. Learn a new language, and crazy technology is coming out. So this is definitely a new one for me to open up. Really nice packaging though. Alrighty. That. Bada boom. WT2 Plus. Alright. Has it flipped. How do I open this thing? I could just cut it down the middle. Not supposed to, but save us some time. We'll just get right into it. Oh, kinda. Come on. I know there's probably an easier way to do this, but hey, it happens sometimes. There we go. It'll probably be easier for you guys when you open it, but me had a little difficulty. Whoa. Here she is. That's a nice box. Here we go. goodies. I think this is what, the manual. We got USB right there. What is this? Earpiece, air hook, or clip to hook it up to. We got some replacement buds here. And then also here, these two. Alright. Come on out. Let's see. One sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got it on in charge right now. I just want to get a full charge. I'll show you guys how to do that in a second. We'll just read about it for a minute. This is what's included. Oh, let me get the lighting off. There we go. You get the one host device. The second one is a guest device. 3 is a charging case. 4 is called the air muffs, extra ones, and then you get the air hooks. Air hook is these right here, and the air muffs are these, and you get an extra bag of those. And it'll be charging. Oh, it's too white. There we go. And then also for iOS, there's a QR code to scan, and for the Android users, there's also one to scan. Or you can just type in WT plus, and it'll bring it up on your Android or iOS. No light means it's in sleep mode. Green flash means it's ready to connect. Green solid is connected. Red flash with /solid, low battery. Blue solid, firmware upgrading. White solid, earbuds are charging. So, yeah, what's the big flashing? Okay, here we go. Solid, full charge. Quick flash 4 times, 90% charge. Quick flash 3 times, 75%. And was it kind of like a heartbeat? I would say 50% quick charge for 2 times flash. And no flash, no battery. Alright, so it's flashing. Like I said, I'm going to charge this up, and then we'll do a setup on my other backup phone right there, and then we'll get this going. Hopefully not a long video, but this is definitely a sweet technology to get one. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Alright, I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. We got the WT pretty much well charged. Got my backup phone right here. And now we could go Google Play WT. And like I said, they got a QR scanner. If you guys want to do it that way too, you could just scan the QR. But there it is, WT2 Plus. Click on that. Hit the install. And it's going to download right about now. So if you guys do a lot of international travels, this will be a perfect gift for yourself, for your family members. Like I said, a lot of sports athletes and wrestlers and UFC fighters, actors would definitely be coming useful for this for sure. Oh, blackout. There it is. Should be going. There it goes. And zippity doo dah. Install. Shazen. All those guys. Alright. Open. Come on. There it goes. Wearable translator. Team. Okay. Bluetooth 4.2. Okay, so now put earbuds nearby phone for auto connection. Oh boy. Alright, let's get these out. Drop you guys down as much as possible. See this magic. Definitely excited for this kind of technology right here. This is really cool though. Take a look at it. It's already pretty much charged right there. There's a light. If you guys can see it right there. And watch this. Oh, green is good. Look how fast it, like, magnetic. Boom. It's already charging. So a really sweet pod case. And like I said, you could take this one and give it to your friend that has an international language, you know, so that you could communicate with them. And then put the one on your ear for yourself so you guys could talk. Look at that. So it is flashing like it shows on the phone. So, oops. Okay, there's about, oh, I think they appeared. Okay, connect the earbuds, put earbuds nearby the audio, okay. Okay, so I gotta wear one. Let's see how these fit. Yeah, you can definitely use the air hooks, but mine fit perfect. So I got this one. Okay. English. All languages. Wow. Look at that. Comes with every single language. We'll leave that there, let it flash. I might hold this like this. Okay. Touch mode, speaker mode. 3 modes applied for different scenarios. I'm not sure what small mode. I'm not sure what that. Oh, for quieted environments, for noisy environments, for simple questions. Okay. Touch. Hello. Okay. Okay, let's go to S to allow it, allow, access all your medias, make phone calls. Make sure you got your Bluetooth on. I'm gonna have to turn that thing on this phone. Okay, it's on. So about 80% charged. Hello. Okay, I heard it connected. It is upgrading. That is a good sign. I heard it. Okay, see that? Do not put WT2 back into the charging case while upgrading. Don't leave this. Okay. So while it's doing that, don't like go through your other apps or stuff like that. It's almost done. Pretty fast upgrade. Hey. The future is here, guys. Definitely excited for this technology piece right here. And I got the other one in my ear, so should be easy install with the hooks. In case you're doing some running or something, jogging with your friends, sports. You might want to use this, but for right now, I'm just gonna leave this out. But should be easy hookup around this piece right here. Show you the guys on the demo. Oh yeah, see how easy that was? Clamps like that perfectly. And we're almost there with the upgrade. But yeah, it has several different languages. Let's see. There we go. Let's do a thing. 36 languages, 84 accents. Okay, we got that one. There we go. Oh, sweet. Okay, so I got mine plugged in. And I was gonna do wow. Alright, we got it working. Okay, home. Whoa. Look at that. English to Chinese. Hello, 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 hello.
你好，你好，你好，你好。
Whoa. Hello, hello. Hello, YouTube.
你好，你好，你也是。
Holy moly. I like to place an order.
我喜欢下订单。
Whoa. Holy smokes. Yeah, you could change it to, let's see, Russian. Hello, how are you today?
Привет, как ты сегодня?
Whoa. Oh, I'm gonna have too much fun with this. Alright, YouTubers, you guys can have fun with it too. All you gotta do is click on the link down below, add it to your cart, check out, and they'll get this shipped to you fast. So, thank you guys for watching, and hopefully this helped you guys with this video. But like I said, easy to set up, really sweet features. We'll do German. Be safe. Be safe.
Du bist sicher.
Be safe.
Sicher sein.
Yeah. Oh boy. Oh, we already did Russian. Arabic. Whoa, Egypt, Algeria, Tunis, Morocco, Saudi Arabia. Alright, let's see this. Be safe. Alrighty, YouTubers. Alrighty, YouTubers, be safe and have a good day. See you soon.
الكون بالفعل تكون آمنة ويكون يوم جيد. أراك قريبا.
Awesome. Alright, see ya.